See y'all later.
When it's cold, I'll be your soldier. Anything you need, just let me hold ya. I'm gonna make sure I give you. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I'ma make sure.
What's up, guys? It's your girl Imperfect Sema, and today I'm here with yet another freaking video. As you can see, it's way early in the morning. I am freaking tired. Let me lock the door because no one else is here. I am, excuse the darkness, y'all. It is literally 7:12. You can see the kids just got on the bus. Let me get to some light, y'all. This house is dark. It's always cooler when the house is darker, so I had to wake up because my aunt had dialysis this morning, so I had to go sit with the little girl y'all seen in my video, my boyfriend's little cousin. But she actually came over here in the house with us this morning while her grandma went to dialysis. I just waited for the kids to get on the bus, and then I'm back in the house. I'm not really about to do too much. It's 7:12. I think I'm about to go back to sleep and wake up a little later. So sleep, because y'all can tell on my face I'm tired. I'm tired. Like, I can't deal with this. If you're new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, turn on your post notifications. Everyone, like this video, share this video, comment on this video for more videos like this. I'm tired, y'all, so don't mind me. Today ain't gonna be no special day, because all I really gotta do today, attempt to do something to my hair. Y'all don't mind my night, I'm tired. I know I look a mess, but who cares? Who cares? Okay, guys, so I actually never ended up falling back to sleep. What I'm about to do right now is actually try to revamp this hair. Like, if you see my last video, that wig I had on in my last video, y'all can see how the ends were all basically shabby and, you know, messed up and everything. Okay, so what I'm about to do, so now I'm just gonna find me a pot to put some water in. Thought I dropped them all. To put some water in and actually put the water on the stove to boil. So that's what I'm doing now. And while that is actually doing what it does, I'm gonna go back in here and I'm actually gonna attempt to, you know, brush it out or whatever. Okay, guys, so here is the hair. Y'all can see how it looks. And yes, this is the same hair off of the video from yesterday. I just took it off the cap. You always want to, with synthetic hair, or really with any hair, to keep it from pulling out so many strands, you want to start from the bottom brushing to the top so that, you know, it freaking comes out right. I know y'all like, bitch, wet, but I'm gonna show y'all again. So basically what I was saying, start from the bottom brushing, because look, if you start from the top, well, my hair ain't too bad to start from the top, but usually it gets very tangled, so I usually try to start from the bottom and brush my way up to the top. like that. It's not like one of those synthetic hairs where you're like, oh my gosh, it's so much shedding, this, that, and the third. Like, no, this, but look at the brush as I'm brushing it. Like, it's literally coming right out. And then look at the brush, y'all. Like, little to no hair coming out of it. Once I'm actually done brushing it out and the water boils, I will be right back. Okay guys, so I'm still waiting on my water to boil. I actually have my hair all combed out and everything right there. The water's actually taking a little long to boil to say I have it on high. But water is starting to boil. And yes, I'm still in my pajamas, so what? I'm gonna try it with just one piece first, you know? Well, this isn't just one piece, but I'm gonna try it with just this amount of hair right here. Just to see how it turns out. I got to get a towel to put the hair on because I don't want everything getting wet and it's gonna drip everywhere. So y'all, I'm gonna lay my towel like right there. But I'm gonna take this. And I didn't put anything in the water. This is just a plain boiling hot water. This is supposed to go in here, but we're gonna experiment and we're gonna find out together. I'm gonna finish this piece of hair with you guys and then I'm gonna do the rest off camera. Just finished with the hair. It actually I don't know, I mean, I'll have to see the result when it dries. This is the hair, how it came out or whatever. Like, it's still wet. I didn't do anything. This is just a little closure piece that came with it. I got the weave. I got the weave. I got the W-E. I got the what?
Boy, if you don't...
The W-E-A-V-E. This is just gonna be to put over my head so that when I do start gluing the hair down to the cap, I'm gonna put the bag on my head first, and then I'm gonna put the cap on my head, and then I'm gonna put the weave on the cap, so the glue doesn't get on my head. Best way to explain it. Yeah. Okay guys, so I'm back. Yes, I'm still in the sink. I just had to stop and check the progress of my hair. Let me see. Why, honey? Yes. It brought it back. It brought it back. And the ends are actually no longer frizzy. Like, they look good on the end. Don't sleep on that method, guys. I can work with that method. Like I said, I didn't put anything in that boiling water. It was just boiling water, and I put the hair in it, and I brushed it out. Now so I'm about to actually start constructing my wig. Like I told y'all, I was gonna put the plastic bag on my head, and then I have my stocking cap up here, and I have it pulled back like that for a reason. So yeah, basically the plastic bag is just to protect the glue from getting, because it's a stocking cap, the glue goes through easily, so it's just to protect my hair basically. It's just not a hair tutorial, it's just a little regular schmegular video. So yeah, I'll be back to you guys when I'm done constructing the wig. Okay guys, I am finally finished with the wig. This is the final result of it. I still have to do a little more to my part, but this bag is like extremely hot. I know y'all can see it kind of melting to my forehead. Like, girl, it's like freaking hot under here. Like, y'all see the sweat? I'm ready to take this thing off, but I can't take it off until the glue actually dries. So, oh my god. Okay guys, so now it is a little after 3 o'clock. I'm not too sure exactly what time it is, but I know it is after 3 o'clock. And I'm gonna take this off now. I had it on for about an hour or so. So we're gonna take it off and take it off the bag and see. And it looks kind of bulky because my 2 braids, y'all know, are on the side. So if I was to do like regular cornrows, it wouldn't be so bulky on the sides or whatever. But ooh, now if I was to lay my baby hairs, I know it look kind of funny right now, but it looks nothing how it looked in my last video, y'all. Overall, I think that method actually did work. The story behind this hair actually was my sister's hair. And y'all know, any of my family and everything, they know I recycle hair. Like, I will recycle the hell out of some hair. So she actually took this hair out and they just had it laying around the house or whatever, about to throw it in the trash. So I actually took it and I actually remade the wig how it looked in the last video. I actually did that at my mom's house, but it came out so full because this hair is so much hair on the weft, like you barely need any tracks. This is about, I want to say, this is about 7 to 8 tracks in my head and then the closure piece. So if I wanted to, I really can go back in and add more, but my head is small, my forehead is big. So with more hair, it makes my head look even smaller. So I try not to do stuff with, you know, so much hair on it. So it was like extra full the first time I did it. And I actually ended up having to take a lot of tracks out from the first time I did it. When I was wearing it, I actually had to take out a lot of tracks. And, you know, this time I knew better because, you know, I know the hair. I see how it look on me and everything. And, you know, I can dig it. I'm feeling it or whatever. I'm feeling it. But yeah, y'all just give me y'all little feedback from the before and after of how you like it. Y'all, this literally no longer looks or feels like synthetic hair. Like, look at it. Like, girl, who you? So that is the end of this video, you guys. Tell me how you think this method worked. Comment down below any other methods you have for, you know, revamping synthetic hair and bringing synthetic hair back to life. I just love how it came out. Well, guys, that is the end of this video. Like I said, go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button and that little bell right there. Go ahead and give it a little ring a ding ding or whatever. And get notified every time Imperfect posts a video. You don't ever want to miss out on a video. Because when I tell you I'm coming with them, I'm coming with them. But your girl is